kick off the session, I would like to introduce Deborah Johnston. Deborah manages our Practical Export Skills workshop series, and she will explain a bit more about them.
Hello, my name is Deborah Johnston. I'm an international trade advisor with InvestNI, and I manage the Practical Export Skills workshops. I'm going to take about 5 minutes today to talk you through what this particular workshop offering is. Exporting can transform your business, but do you have the capability and skills to sell outside Northern Ireland? Our Practical Export Skills programme offers interactive, one-day workshops that will equip you with the necessary skills. You don't have to be exporting right now. You might just be thinking about it at this stage. These workshops offer great value, and we provide practical-based advice and guidance, with workshops targeted at those with operational level responsibility for selling outside Northern Ireland, or senior staff who maybe want to refresh their understanding of the processes and practicalities of exporting. So we'll now talk through each of the different 5 topics that we have in this programme. Our first workshop is Export Documentation and Logistics. This workshop is an introduction to the processes and routines to be followed when exporting, right the way through from inquiry through to delivery. It'll follow the process and provide understanding of the subsequent documentation requirements for getting your cargo to its destination successfully. During the session, we'll cover the basic principles, explain the documentation, their individual worth, and how you can export successfully to receive payment. This workshop will also include an up-to-date overview of current EU exit issues. And the workshop is suitable for all companies, but particularly any SME that is new to exporting. Another of our workshops is Social Media for Sales Optimization. This workshop will show you how to best integrate your social media into a marketing and promotions plan. And you'll learn how to set social media objectives and goals. During the session, you'll learn from examples, best practice methods on how to engage and grow your social media audience, and how to create content that's valuable to your potential customers, and how to create an online community and build relationships with influencers in order to drive your sales. Then we move into our sales skills workshops, online and telesales networking and prospecting. This workshop will help you to improve your sales conversion rates. It's highly interactive and it demonstrates practical techniques for increasing the volume of new business leads, and it addresses how to effectively qualify prospects. You will learn how to get in front of your key influencer and how to become a more effective networker. And during the session, a wide range of essential prospecting, telesales and networking skills will be demonstrated through the use of recent and real-life examples. Moving on then to look at our Effective Selling Skills workshop. This workshop can help you win sales and improve your profit margins through refining your selling skills with customers and prospective customers. It aims also to improve your confidence across a number of areas, including questioning techniques, listening skills, effective presentations, how to read buyer signals, how to run a great sales meeting, how to handle objectives. It also talks you through and demonstrates how to negotiate effectively. It instructs you on good closing techniques and how to maintain and develop good relationships. This popular and very much interactive workshop is known to improve your selling skills and your confidence. And our 5th workshop in the series is on pitching skills, how to develop and deliver a compelling sales pitch. Again, this is very much a practice-based workshop, and it will help you to get your message, personality and credibility across clearly and consistently in every pitch that you do. With practical demonstration as a guide, you will learn how to prepare and structure an impactful pitch, and then you'll practice delivering it during the session, learning effective use of visual aids and also managing your body language and how to control your nerves. That has been an overview of the Practical Export Skills portfolio. For more information on the programme, talk to your InvestNI client executive or contact our business support team. These workshops are open to all. You don't have to be an InvestNI client to come along to these workshops, and further details can be found at the website in front of you there. We look forward to welcoming you along to some of our workshops in the future.